Hi, my name is Denise Moeller. I just had my kitchen renovated by Forte Construction. I love to cook and entertain, but I live in a townhouse, so space is always at a premium. Countertop space and storage space were definitely a priority for this renovation. I've lived here for 28 years, and that's the last time I had a kitchen renovation done. It was definitely time for an update. After getting estimates from several companies, we chose Forte because they had the best price by far. Bayram came to my home to do the estimate and also provide suggestions based on his background in engineering. Bayram never said no to any of my ideas or suggestions. After we got the design proposal, we went to his office to discuss the timeline and also to pick our materials for the final project. Brian, the foreman, and his crew were always hardworking and courteous during the project. They usually arrived at about 8 in the morning and left by 5 or 6 at night, and even worked some Saturdays. Brian was constantly available to address problems and make small changes as needed. He is an expert problem solver as well as a competent electrician and carpenter. They did the best they could to protect our personal items, keep the dust to a minimum, and they cleaned up every day before they left. It's important to note that a small kitchen means using every available space. Most company websites don't show small kitchens, so I'm very glad to participate in this video to demonstrate what can be done with a small kitchen. Everything was smooth and efficient. Bayram stayed in touch with us throughout the project. Now I have a little house with a big kitchen. I can't wait to entertain. Thank you, Forte.
To learn more, visit us at forteconstructiondesign.com.